Introducing Milwaukee's newest solution to the drain cleaning lineup, the M18 Drum Machine for 3/8 to 1/2-inch cable. This cordless drain cleaning machine provides the ability to clear confidently with instant setup. This tool features more power than corded drum machines for 1.5-inch to 4-inch lines, giving you more power to clear grease, scale, paper products, and more. The M18 Drum Machine can complete multiple jobs on one M18 battery. This cordless drum machine eliminates the hassle of extension cords and finding electrical outlets, providing access wherever the job requires. The large non-slip foot pedal gives you more control on wet surfaces and provides a more durable way to power the machine. With the optional cable drive assembly, you can have the ability to automatically feed and retract the cable. Its lightweight design and integrated transfer card provides easier transportation on and off the job. The fully enclosed drum provides protection against the mess, making for a faster and cleaner call. The M18 Drum Machine for 3/8 to 1/2-inch cable is just one piece of the Milwaukee drain cleaning system of products, designed to keep you working with less hassle to get out on more service calls.